Hello students, I hope you all are well, staying safe and healthy. In this video, we'll discuss a lesson in English of class 3. This chapter is from your class second term book. The name of the chapter is Who Did Patrick's Homework, written by Carol Moore. Patrick never did homework, too boring, he said. So, we find that the story is about a boy called Patrick. Patrick never used to do his homework. Too boring, he said, and he always used to consider homework as boring. He played basketball, football, and video games instead. Instead of doing his homework, he used to play basketball, football, and video games. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. His teachers used to constantly tell him that, Patrick, you need to do your homework, otherwise you won't be able to learn anything. And it was true, sometimes he did not feel clever. And he even believed it that yes, and he sometimes feel that he is uneducated. But what could he do? He hated homework. But still there is no other way left for him because he hated homework like anything. Then one day his cat was playing with the doll. He tried to take the doll from the cat. So one day what happened? He finds his cat playing with the doll and he tried to grab the doll from the cat. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll at all, but a man of the tiniest size. He had a little woolen shirt with old-fashioned pants and a pointed hat. So, what was the attire of the tiniest size man? He was wearing a little woolen shirt, old-fashioned pants with a pointed hat. He yelled, save me, don't give me back to that cat. I'll grant you a wish, I promise you that. So he shouted, save me, Patrick, and said, I promise you, I'll give you whatever you want, but don't give me back to that cat. Patrick could not believe how lucky he was. Here was the answer to all of his problems. Now, when the tiniest man said that whatever he would ask, he would give it to him, Patrick considered himself to be lucky and said, only if you do all my homework till the end of the year. The little man's face wrinkled like a cloth. He kicked his legs and looked very angry. So in anger, his face wrinkled like a cloth. He kicked his legs and said, oh, that's difficult, he muttered. But I'll do it. And so the little elf began to do Patrick's homework. There was only one problem. The elf did not always know what to do and he needed help. So he started doing Patrick's homework, and there's always one problem, that is the elf always finds himself lacking something and he always needed help. Help me, he would say, and Patrick would have to help in some way or the other. I don't know this word, the elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. Actually, I have a better idea. Look up this word and read out each letter. So, what does the elf say? The elf shouted on Patrick, saying that he do not know this word, and he said, Patrick, please get me a dictionary, or it would be better if you go through the dictionary, find the word, and please let me know what does it mean. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck again. What are multiplication tables? Now, when the elf had to solve Patrick's maths, then what happened? He was not able to understand multiplication tables. He shouted, we elves never need that. What are addition and subtraction and division and fractions? These are not my cup of tea. I have never done such maths before. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must help me. And he asked Patrick that he need to help him and guide him. The little elf knew nothing of history. For him, it was a mystery. As the elf knew nothing about human history, so it appears like a mystery. With time, the elf, who already shouted loudly, just got louder. Go to the library. I need more books and you can help me read them too. And he would ask Patrick to go to the library, get more books and read out those books to him. This went on every day. Patrick was working harder than ever. He was staying up all night and reading more books than he had ever read before. He was going to school with his eyes puffed up and dull. So Patrick used to work harder and harder, and for that what happened? He used to stay or keep himself awake for late night. Then he used to feel tired, and on the next day when he went to his school, his eyes were puffed. That is, our eyes become puffed only when we lack our sleep. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more, so he quietly and slyly slipped out of the back door. So finally, what happened? The last day arrived, that is, it was the day when the elf was free to go. So he quietly and secretly he just moved away from the back door. Patrick did well in all his subjects. His classmates were amazed, his teachers smiled and were full of praise, and his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. So finally it was a result day. Patrick got his result, and to everyone's amazement, what happened? Patrick did well in all his subjects. Not only teachers, but his parents were also very surprised and wondered on seeing the change that took place in Patrick. He was now the perfect boy. He cleaned his room, did his work and cheerful, and was never rude. So he was not a perfect boy, and all of a sudden he had a new attitude towards life and his studies. And so everyone was happy. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework, but I will share a secret just between you and me. It was not the elf, but Patrick had done all his homework himself. Now, the last para, here the speaker. The speaker is Carol Moore, that is the writer of the story. At the end, Carol Moore says that Patrick used to think it was the elf who used to do his homework, but the secret is that it was not the elf who was doing the homework, rather it was Patrick himself who was helping himself to do the homework. And with this, we come to an end of this chapter. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries regarding the chapter, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for further updates. Thank you.